All right, guys, I think the market's gonna have some sort of correction, and let me explain why I think so in this video. So all of this right here, you guys probably won't understand what it means. That's my Elliott wave count, kind of not gentrified, but China-fied it. I think this is the correct count, and if any of you guys know Elliott wave, let me know what I am doing wrong, but I think we are getting an ABC correction here with supply at 417. If I could point this way right there, over here we're getting supply at this 417 level if you look at my cursor, and I think this is potentially setting up for a huge head and shoulder. If you guys know what that is, it's actually I wouldn't be able to show you, but basically what a head and shoulder implies is that you have price action that doesn't want to go potentially further, and we might get something of that sort to come back down to the trend line, which is highly probable. And if we were to plot a target, potentially it might be around here at the 411 level. I think this is extremely possible. We might get a move up to this 418 level, but I think if you go out a month or even maybe 2 weeks out, you should get somewhat of a move, and a move down to that level. As you can see, this trend line has been holding up since the beginning of COVID, and it's been holding up quite well. Right now, we are currently on top of the trend line. We're currently trending on the top of the channel that we've been up on. And if you look at the daily chart, we are rather far from the 200 EMA. We could potentially come back down even to the 9 EMA, which is around the trend line support that we just spoke about. So I think there's a high probable chance that we make it back down here. As you can see, the 9 EMA is here. The 50 EMA is here, and it's very, very, very close to our trend line. So I think that if anything, 418 will invalidate this projection on a daily close above 418. But if not, I do think that we're gonna have a move down, coming down to this trend line for a reset, along with touching the 50 EMA. We are far overextended in my opinion, and I think this is justified. And also we got some sort of news, and like I said, transparency as always. I alerted SPY puts inside of my Discord server, and I also told the group that I am taking puts. We also have news that potentially a rocket is coming to fall to Earth on Saturday. So maybe that's the catalyst. I really don't know. I don't think so, and I think we're gonna be quite all right. But if we do all die, just know that it is because of this rocket. A lot of people don't know, so maybe take this as a news channel or whatsoever. You are now informed that there's this China rocket that is falling from outer space into Earth on Saturday, and we only have a 6-hour time span in which they will know if there's anything we can do. I believe I read on it that if it does come here, it should be equivalent of a small airplane doing damage to approximately 10,000 miles worth of damage. I don't know if that would be pleasant for any of us, and I think that would do astronomical numbers to our infrastructure. So I don't think we're gonna go much from here, especially with that crazy of a news. I mean, you can't say and undermine this type of news, because if something like that does happen, we are definitely getting some sort of correction, and a huge one at that, because this is potentially just as bad as COVID, and people are gonna die, businesses are gonna die, and infrastructure is gonna crash. So hopefully, I mean, this happens all the time, and most of the time, the government is able to shut down the asteroid or whatever before it gets here by shooting missiles or whatever at it to break it apart. But the truth is, we don't know, and it says that if we do see it coming in on the 8th, I believe, we will only have, I believe, a 6-hour time span for us to react to it, because as of right now, they're not sure what is going to happen. And then besides that, again, always shouting out my platform. We got a huge SPY put, but it's for next year. But the whole day today, we've just been getting SPY puts. Chance AI is equal to 1. And then this one right here for next year, 370 strike. Definitely very, very sus. Again, you should always have a hedge on your portfolio, in my opinion, not financial advice. But you just gotta be prepared for anything. Anything can happen. Maybe the missile hits, maybe it doesn't. Maybe China starts to do something, maybe China doesn't. You always wanna make sure that your portfolio is good and you're playing sizes that wouldn't affect your life. Besides the fact that we might lose our life, you know, and this video will be the one. If aliens see my video, they're gonna be like, yo, this Asian boy is freaking woke. But that's it. I just wanted to update you guys on a potential SPY correction. Hopefully I get it because, well, I hope the rocket doesn't come, but hopefully I get my SPY correction since I am in the position, and hopefully we make some money. I think we are setting up quite well right now. We have volatility back. Also, if you look at the VIX, you will see that we broke out of a bullish wedge recently, and we retested the trend line today. If we look at the I think it was the 4-hour chart. See, we retested the trend line, and hopefully from here we go on up. So meaning the SPY should fall a little more. Let's see what happens, but thanks for tuning in. If you guys find it useful and you guys want more updates, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit that notification button. I'm trying to come up with a bunch of videos, so if there's anything that would help you guys as a new trader, let me know, because I am trying to help you guys. I don't know what topics to discuss, and hopefully I am a good teacher. Let me know what you guys want. Like, comment, and share this portfolio, this video, because you don't want to lose money. Have a good one, guys. Thank you.